Hi, welcome to our enterprise. How can I assist you today?
Hi, I'm looking for a vacuum cleaner, but I'm not exactly sure which one to choose. There are so many options.
Yeah, but I want something for quiet operation, high quality, and maybe something that could move it on.
Got it. Well, we have found the option for you. If you are a busy person, I recommend the robotic vacuum cleaner. It has advanced navigation, powerful suction, intelligent dust manipulation, and a slim design that can fit into tight space. It is a vacuum.
That sounds good. Does it have long battery life? I don't have time to charge it every day.
Great question. The robotic vacuum model do not need to be charged because it will charge by itself. Plus, it has quick charging, so even if it's low, it can charge it up under every hour.
How to monitor the vacuum? But I'm afraid it doesn't work.
It syncs with your phone, so you will be able to monitor right on your phone. Battery percentage, area clean, and area being clean are displayed. You can even manage directly from your phone.
That's exactly what I need. How durable it is. I want to use it for a long time and does not want something that will break easily.
The robotic vacuum is built for a long use. It is waterproof, so it can mop and operate in spill plates. Plus, the vacuum is made of high quality material that can last for a long time.
It sounds perfect for you, but they've got advanced navigation, powerful suction, and it looks good enough to put at home too.
Yeah, I think I will go with it. I'm standard.
Awesome choice! I will ring this up for you, and if you have any question while using it, feel free to stop by.
Thanks, Amirul. I appreciate all the help.
Our pleasure. Enjoy your new vacuum cleaner and don't hesitate to reach out if you need anything. Oh, Pak, why are you coming back?
Amirul, I'm having trouble with the vacuum. It's not pairing with my phone at all.
That's weird. I thought it would pair easily. Maybe it's a Bluetooth issue.
Let's take a look. Sometimes they have to reset the vacuum and try connecting. Could you make sure Bluetooth is on and search for the device?
I'm tired, but I'm still does not show up on my phone.
Sometimes certain phone need software update to support the latest device. let's double check your phone software, and if it's up to date, we will try pairing the vacuum on another device to rule out any issue.
Good idea. And if it works on another phone, at least we will know it's a compatibility issue.
Alright, it looks like the vacuum work fine on another phone. I do recommend adopting your phone software and try it again. If it still doesn't work, we can exchange the robotic vacuum for a different model.
Thanks, that's helpful. I will update my phone and see if that fixes it.
And if you need any more help, feel free to come back or give us a call. We are here to make sure you certify.
Thanks, everyone. I will try that and let you know how it goes.
Sound cool. Thanks for being patient with us. Enjoy your new vacuum cleaner.
So many questions, who do I ask? Where do I go from here? What are you smoking? Ain't no average girl, my one top tier. What is it now? I stood on business and I made it clear. I'm over it now, you done all this to make me look weird. If it's you or me that speak on you, I'll be deep in life, but I try not to reflect on life while breathing the view. I've been lied to way too much, I don't even believe the truth. Aye. My vision was blurry, and they didn't know I could clean it. I was happier when I was broke. Aye. It's an art